Hey everyone, welcome to the channel again. Today I'll show you the beautiful Ghent from the places that I think, I'll start from the most common places to see, and then in this video I'll probably do the touristic places, and then afterwards I'm planning to make more videos where I see more like urban spots that are not very known, and if you're a tourist you wouldn't know. So yeah, let's start the journey. Hope you enjoy it. So, to start with, Ghent really has a lot of nice bike roads. It's quite fun to bike here. I mean, in general in Belgium you can bike, but I think, or in Northern Europe for that matter, but I think in Ghent it's actually way more fun than usual compared to the other cities. Because, you know, the city has canals everywhere, and Ghent has its own vibe, I would say, where people are quite stylish, but not in a way where it's to show off money, you know. Because I think if you go to Antwerp, people are still stylish, but there's this a bit elitist vibe. But I don't see that in Ghent. Ghent feels more genuine to me. And of course people are more open-minded here. Not of course, but yeah, from what I see, people are more open-minded here in general. So the first starting point will be there. I'll go to the beginning of the bridge. There's a lot of cobblestone, so to go with bike is nice, but in this part especially, I think it's quite hard. So yeah, as you can see, it is really amazing place. So we'll start from under the tree there, because I think it's pretty nice view from there. Okay, yeah, so I wanted to basically show this view and how amazing it is, starting with this bridge. And then I'll try to put it, I can't speak, I'm sorry. It's pretty hard, but it's really nice. And this is not only the only thing, you also have like the canal next to it, which is amazing vibes. People obviously stop here for some, you know, photos and stuff, which makes sense, which I'm doing the same. But yeah, if you come by, you can start here. I think this is like the most touristic place. And then we'll go across that bridge there, because I think that is like the photo place. I hope it's not as shaky as I think it is. This is probably the best picture place, I would say, of Ghent. People generally come here. There they have some kind of like a cross to have some pictures and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Definitely recommend, bro. Amazing city. So as you can see, the city is alive. People are doing they're kayaking, sitting. Some people are having tours. It's pretty nice. It's an amazing place to vibe, really. So really close to where we were, you have the Vrijdag, they call it here. Unfortunately, it's like going under construction, so yeah, it's still pretty nice. There's like cafes around, and yeah, it's basically a place where they open up bazaars and stuff every now and then. And yeah, I'm not like a perfect guide. I'm just quite passionate about the city, and if you want to learn, you can of course search it for yourself if you want to be informed more. But yeah, Now I'm trying the camera, but like, and I think the camera is good, but when it's cobblestones, bro, it's, I think stabilization becomes kind of a problem with the camera because it's just like tilts all the time. But I tried using, like yesterday I was filming as well. I tried to use stabilization mode on CapCut. Then you literally have the image a bit like wobbly. I think it does something with AI, maybe noise reduction. I don't know what it does fully, but basically, yeah, it just gets the vibrations a bit less. Now I'll show you the St. Nicholas Church as well. That's also a known place. So that's the church. It's also pretty known, and yeah, there's places to eat. There's places to hang out there as well. This place is way more active during the night. So yeah, maybe I should do a night city tour once I figure out how to do this bike filming thing. Because it's, I think on the roads when it's not shaky, then I think the camera works pretty well. The problem was yesterday I tried to use wide lens on the camera, which is an additional magnetic piece. So that was, I think each time there was an impact, the lens would move as well. And those minimal moves probably added up, and that was so shaky. I think it was the shakiest footage I've seen, although I tested it before.
Sorry, verschrikkelijk goed frame.
Sorry, what?
Excuse me. Very nice frame.
Yeah, thanks, thanks.
Is it a special?
Yeah, it's custom made.
It's custom made?
Yeah. From Leuven.
From?
Leuven.
Leuven.
Leuven. The city, yeah. A friend of mine works there. So yeah, I told him and then he made it.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go from Berlin to Amsterdam with this bike.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
do
nice.
a bike packing, yeah. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. Okay, I just said the first compliment to the bike frame. But look how beautiful this place is, man. I can't really see the lens, I hope you see what I'm seeing. There you go. For your reference point, I basically did a loop, so that's how we can also maybe go around the city. I don't know if it's the best way, but you know. I don't know if you see, the bridge we walked in the first minutes is there, you know. So we basically went around and then came back now. Yeah, now the plan is to go to the library. I think that's also a really nice place. This also in the center, they do host some events and stuff here sometimes. And they need a place. It's pretty, I don't know, people are sitting, you know, they're just chilling. I guess if you're walking in the city, these are close to the shopping parts of the city. So if you just want to have a breather, then this is pretty okay, relaxed place. But yeah, in Ghent, I don't think, as you can see, I'm not like 100% passionate when I'm showing the parts of the city that are more touristic. I mean, I am definitely passionate, but I think the good thing about Ghent is you can turn around the corner and find a nice place all the time. It's not like you need to come to these places. You can just walk and explore, and I think that's the best way you're gonna enjoy the city. But that's also my understanding, so I know some people don't have the same understanding on that, which is fine. I mean, you can go visit the touristic places only. But I think one of the best ways to explore a city is to just get lost in it. But sometimes cities don't have places to be explored that well sometimes. But I think with Ghent that's not the case. You can just walk around and you'll find these beautiful spots. Now I'm gonna take you guys to the library, which is, in my opinion, an amazing one. It's not just a library, there's also a cafe under it, so you can just hang out there too. At least that's what I do usually. I don't think in the last years I ever went to the upper floors of the library where people actually go to study and have this really silent place. But yeah, downstairs you have this really nice cafe looking over to a beautiful view. Yeah, so this is the library. I'll show you the cafe as well. Yeah, as you can see, people are just sitting and chilling, looking at this amazing view. I should say it's quite crowded. Okay, my bad. I thought that was a side connection, so I could just bike off. But apparently I just walked into a cafe with my bike. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the view. I'll show you downstairs now where people who are not in the cafe are hanging out across that view. And it's also pretty nice because you're literally right next to a canal. And if you have any recommendations like go film here, please let me know in the comments. I can definitely do that and I would like to. But yeah, man. Look at this view. It's looking amazing. And best of all, you're literally next to a canal. People calm by sometimes. There's also Take 5. It's also a really nice cafe. I definitely recommend it. So this is going to be today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and let me know if there's any other places you would like me to film with this setup. Hope it wasn't too shaky. And yeah, see you in the next one.